marketing your home effectively. Getting the word out is just as important as pricing and presentation. Start by leveraging online platforms. Sites like Zillow, Redfin, and social media channels are excellent for reaching a broad audience. Facebook and Instagram ads, in particular, allow you to target specific demographics, ensuring your home is seen by the right people. Don't underestimate the power of traditional methods. A well-placed for sale sign in your yard and flyers distributed locally can attract attention from passers-by. Hosting an open house is another way to create buzz, especially if you promote it well. Networking can also help. Let friends, family, and colleagues know you're selling. Word of mouth can lead to unexpected opportunities. Local community boards and newsletters are other often overlooked avenues for spreading the word. Effective marketing isn't just about reaching people, it's about reaching the right people. The more targeted your efforts, the more likely you'll attract serious buyers.